Hi and welcome to the Chuffed.org team crowdfunding walkthrough. I'm going to step you through exactly how to use all the great team crowdfunding options on your Chuffed.org campaign. But first, we're going to break this up into three parts, and I'm going to walk you through the three different user experiences. And the three different users that we're going to walk through: first, the campaign manager. So that's normally you, the fundraising manager, CEO, or the person who is running the campaign. Then there's fundraisers themselves. So these are people who want to sign up for your fundraising campaign, create their own page attached to your main page. And then there's the donors. So I'm going to take you through what team crowdfunding looks like for each of them. So let's start with the campaign manager. The campaign manager creates a crowdfunding campaign on Chuffed.org as they normally would. I've already created one here. It's a cycle challenge. And most of the parts are already in. Now this will be the main campaign page that fundraisers can actually add their own pages to. And if you are the campaign manager, the way that you add in fundraisers is using the team section of the campaign page. So we'll go to that right now. So you can see I've already got my user account in here. I'm going to be John Smith for that. And if you want to add a fundraiser, all you have to do is you can do it in a couple of clicks. All you have to do is click this Create Team Member button here, and then type in their name. We're going to call them, well, let's not call them something like that. Let's call them Jane Smith. If you want to, you can add a profile image in. So let's add one in just to show you what happens there. And then we're just going to click on this Add Team Member button. Great, now that team member's in there, but they don't yet have a fundraising page. If I want to give them a fundraising page, all I have to do is just tick this, and that fundraising page is just being created for me. So this is the link to the fundraising page here. If I want to preview the page, I can click on the preview page, or I can edit the page. Now the pages come through with the default content of the base page. But I'm just going to click on the preview the page so you can see what that looks like here. So this is the sub page. It looks exactly the same for the moment as the main page of the campaign. But the main campaign page is over here. So I'm going to click through here. So you can see the main campaign page here. And down the bottom, there's the fundraiser for Jane. So you can see John is one of the team members and Jane has her own page down here. So I'm just going to go back to creating the fundraiser page. Now let's say you've created that page for them, they've got the link, you could just send that link to them, but sometimes the fundraiser themselves wants to edit the campaign, they want to actually customize it a bit, and that's really simple. All you have to do is click on this Invite to be a Fundraiser Editor and type in Jane's email. So we'll call her Jane at Chuffed.org, and I'm just going to send an invitation to Jane. So what's just happened in the background there is that Jane has been sent an email, and she just has to click on the link in that email, and then she'll be able to edit the page herself. That's it. So that's the way that fundraisers get to how you create a fundraiser as the main campaigner. I just want to make sure it's absolutely clear, this fundraiser, all they can do is edit their own campaign page. They can't edit this main campaign page. They can't change the banking details. All the money from that campaign, their sub page, will go to the main campaign page. So what they'll see is, if they go in to edit their campaign, it's something that looks like this. So it's just the content on the page, just the image on the page, and this will just change their sub page. So they can customize any of this content that they want to customize. Cool, that's all for the fundraisers created from the campaign manager's perspective. The second way that fundraiser pages can be created is using this public sign up option. So imagine if you don't actually know who the fundraisers are, you just want to send out a link where people can sign up to be a fundraiser for your page. What you do is you tick this little box here, And then you get this link, and it's a sign up link right here. So what actually happened on the main campaign page, just so you see, so this is the main campaign, this is the main campaign page here. What just happened when I ticked that box is this button here appeared, sign up as a fundraiser. And what that then allows me to do is to click on this button, and I'll come to this form here. So this allows me to sign up as a fundraiser externally. And I'm going to talk you through exactly how that works in the next video.